In this video, I'll guide you through how to set a lifetime budget for a Facebook ads campaign. Setting a lifetime budget is a great option if you already know the maximum amount you want to spend on an advertising campaign. Instead of assigning a daily spending limit, a lifetime budget allows Facebook to distribute your budget across the entire duration of the campaign, while ensuring that your total spending does not exceed the amount you specify. This can be especially useful for limited-time promotions, product launches, seasonal offers, or campaigns with a fixed marketing budget. To get started, sign into your Facebook Ads Manager account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and select Campaigns. This will display all of the campaigns available in your account. Find the campaign where you'd like to use a lifetime budget. Hover over the campaign and click Edit to open its settings. You'll now be taken to the campaign editor, where you can adjust various campaign options. Scroll down until you reach the budget section. If your campaign is currently using a daily budget, you'll see that option selected by default. Click on the Daily Budget menu to open the available budget types, then select Lifetime Budget instead. Once you've switched to a lifetime budget, enter the total amount you'd like Facebook to spend over the entire campaign. For example, if you want to limit the campaign to a maximum of $200, simply enter that amount into the budget field. Facebook will then optimize how the budget is distributed throughout the campaign while keeping the total spending within your specified limit. After entering your budget, review your campaign settings to make sure everything looks correct. When you're satisfied with your changes, scroll down and click Next to continue. From there, you can complete any remaining campaign settings and publish or save your updates as needed. Using a lifetime budget gives you more control over your total advertising costs while allowing Facebook's delivery system to optimize spending over the course of your campaign. It's a practical choice whenever you have a fixed promotional budget and want to make sure your campaign never exceeds it. And that's all there is to it. Once your campaign is active, Facebook will automatically manage your spending based on the lifetime budget you've selected, helping you stay within your planned advertising budget while delivering your ads throughout the campaign period.